Let's discuss about physiological anemia in pregnancy. You see, as the name itself indicates, it is anemia which is physiological. Means there is nothing to worry about this anemia in pregnancy. It is completely physiological. Every woman who is pregnant can undergo this physiological anemia. So what is the purpose of this anemia? The purpose of this anemia is perfection of fetus. Is perfection of fetus. Let's see how this anemia will occur in pregnancy and how it is useful for fetal perfection. First, see, in pregnancy what happens is there will be increase in RBC. There will be increase in RBC number, and also there will be increase in plasma volume. Here one thing we have to remember here is the increase in the plasma value is very, very high compared to RBC. That means there is disproportionate increase in plasma volume compared to RBC. Due to this disproportionate, what happens is it develops apparent hemodilution. Due to this apparent hemodilution, it leads to decrease in viscosity of blood. When there is decrease in viscosity, fetal perfusion will be easy. Means the blood flow from mother to fetus will become easy because the viscosity has reduced and the blood can move easily. Okay, fetal perfusion will be enhanced. This is how it helps in fetal perfusion. Let's see the characteristics of this physiological anemia. Characteristics are one is this physiological anemia, it starts at 7 to 8 weeks. Physiological anemia starts at 7 to 8 weeks of pregnancy. Second one is the maximum anemia is seen by 32 weeks. Maximum anemia is seen as 32 weeks. And this anemia does not go below 11 grams. Does not go behind 11 grams per dl. That means the hemoglobin concentration will be 11 grams per dl, and this SB value will not develop less than this.